The Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ FCT Council, carry some of their officials go Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC. Say dem no gree hand over to the new people wey dem just swear in to run the union. Secretary of the council, Jide Oyekunle, talk this one for one world press conference wey dem do for Abuja as dem show wetin the prop panel find out. NUJ FCT Council release report of internal investigation wey dem do on top how the last people wey lead the union take handle money. The report show say transparency no dey, document loss, and dem no fit explain how they take spend some money. The committee report put hand for their face give the former oga dem, say dem no gree hand over important papers and money matter papers. Even when dem try collect the papers back, e no work. Kunle come talk say the Congress don decide say make the former oga dem stop to dey act like say na dem still dey power and make dem remove hand from the signatory wey dey control the council's 2 bank accounts for commercial bank.
Mr. Emmanuel Ogbeche, the special advisor to the governor of Cross River State, Abuja, and Mr. Patch, an editor Abuja Enquirer newspaper, is also the editor of Abuja Enquirer newspaper. Then Mr. Patrick Osadebamwe, the immediate past chairman of the council, who is also a staff of the Nigerian Tribune newspaper, and Mr. Ochiaka Ugu, the former secretary of the council, who is also a staff of the People's Daily newspaper. The Congress in session also resolved that NUJ City Council does not recognize Mrs. Gloria Essien of the Voice of Nigeria as its representative ex officio at the Nigerian Labour Congress FCT Council and should stop the impersonation forthwith. The Congress also resolved that the United Bank for Africa (UBA) and other banks where they open accounts of the council should not in any way conspire or connive with this fellow, as the council is doing everything possible to get to the root of the infractions and misdemeanor of the past executive of the council.
Tony Akowe, wey be the chairman of the panel, come talk say the plenty financial wahala dey under the past oga dem as dem see many wahalas for inside.
The total rent for that period from both the OTs and other tenants were lumped together as 33 million naira as rent. Who paid what? What did they pay is not documented in any part of this audit record. And knowing how audit records should go, we are compelled to believe that there may have been some little compromises, because anybody who does not have any accounting record may not be able to understand the details of this thing.
NUJ FCT Council still come talk say the steps wey dem dey take now na to make sure say accountability dey and to protect the integrity of the union. Make una no forget say na as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onosimo, TMC News.